Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nichole, and on this channel, we talk about all things Operation Christmas Child. And today I have a filler project I'm going to be sharing with you in collaboration with Kelly's Kidz, who put a challenge out there for us to pack silly socks. And so I'm going to go over that filler project with you in just a minute. But before I do that, I want to talk about something that came up in one of my last videos that I did. And I had packed a pair of these shark sandals in one of my shoe boxes. And one of the viewers, one of y'all, pointed out that the size shoe that I packed would be too small for the child I was packing for. In fact, all of these would be too small for the children, even if it's 2 to 4. So I did not pay closely enough attention to the sizes and what age they would be good for. I just eyeballed it at the store, and it turns out they're all too small. So I'm going to be donating these to another charity. And in light of that, and because it has been a really long time since I have bought shoes for young children, I realized I do not know the best size shoe for each of the age and gender categories. And I thought if I was struggling with that, there might be someone else out there that was also struggling with it. So I made this children's shoe size guide. And how I came up with this was I went to ChatGPT and asked them what they thought would be the best size shoe for the age and gender that we pack for. And it came up with some answers. And I asked it, how did you come up with this information? And what it said was it went by the United States shoe measurements and the shoe size suggestions put out by Nike and Adidas. And I think Stride Right was another one. So anyway, if you're in the United States, I have one of these shoe size guides that you might be interested in. And over here on this column here, it has the age and the gender. And then over here are the size shoes that would correspond with the age and gender. And these are just suggestions. These are not, of course, the official recommendations from Operation Christmas Child. This is just something that I created. And then down here, if you can see this little line right here with all the dots, those are all the size shoes for children. And one thing that I didn't even think about was that the youth sizes, because it goes from children to youth to adult, the youth sizes can overlap with adult sizes. So then I wanted to create a youth to adult size conversion. So anyway, I hope that this will help you. I will make this available on my website, sweetteadaily.com, if you're interested. So there is that. And now I want to talk to you about the filler that I created. My silly socks are shark silly socks. And initially, I was going to be making filler for 5 to 9 and then 10 to 14. And I ordered socks according to those age groups. But when they came in, when I took them out of the packaging, they were all the same size. And so I'm not sure if that was a mistake on the manufacturer's part or Amazon's part, but anyhow, I'm going to be using them all for 5 to 9. So if they are a little bit bigger than 5 to 9, they can grow into them. So I made some labels for kids 5 to 9 that have sharks on them. And I'll make this available on the website as well. And I'm not using it for this project, but I also made some for kids who are 10 to 14. So maybe I'll do another shark project for the 10 to 14-year-olds. But along with these silly shark socks, that's hard to say, along with that, I have some of these bracelets that have scripture on them. And they are in just colors of the ocean, I guess, blues and greens. And I need to put my glasses on for this because the writing is kind of small. But this one says, "For I know the plans I have for you." And there is a cross on there. I don't know if you can see. I got these from Amazon. "Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you." And this one says, "I'm a child of God." So I thought that this would be a nice addition to the filler. Another thing I'm going to be including is a toothbrush. And I found these at the dollar spot at Target. These little pop tube sharks and a little wind-up shark. So each pack will be either getting a wind-up shark or a pop tube. And then I like to go shopping at a place called The Store where they have really, really good deals. I got these sticker packs for 49 cents. And in each sticker pack, I think that there are, it says 52 stickers, 3 sheets. Oh, 4 sheets. So each filler pack will be getting 4 sheets of stickers. And then there are 3 packs in here for 49 cents that I also got at the store. They're just little coloring books with a couple crayons in there. So, and I'm going to be using bags that are 6 by 9. And I'm going to go ahead and put this filler together, and then I will show you the finished result, and I'll be right back. And here we have the end result. I was able to create 12 filler packs for the processing center. Thank you, Kelly, for the inspiration. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.